These 19 foods will help you gain weight and build muscle mass. Losing weight is hard. Trying to increase your muscle at the same time is even much harder. If you want to look bulky and gain weight fast, you need to incorporate these foods into your diet. And who says eating healthy always has to be plain, tasteless, and boring? The last item on our list would surely satisfy your sweet tooth. Make sure to watch until the end and like this video. Number 1. Milk. Milk is full of calcium, proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, which is important to make our bones strong and make our energy last. There is a study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition proving that consuming skim milk right after exercise is more effective for building muscle mass than any other protein drink. But if you don't like to exercise and want to get the same effect, drinking milk regularly will do the job. Number 2. Homemade protein shakes. Store-bought protein shakes are so delicious, but they contain so much sugar and no nutrients. Homemade shakes are the way to go to get the full nutrients and vitamins that your body needs to gain weight and muscle mass. Here are some homemade protein shake recipes you can follow and try at your own home. All you need to do is blend all these ingredients: a banana, 2 cups of milk, a scoop of chocolate whey protein, and a scoop of peanut butter or any of your favorite nut butter of choice. For the vanilla berry shake recipe, the ingredients are a cup of mixed berries, ice, and high-protein natural yogurt, 2 cups of milk, and a scoop of vanilla whey protein. Again, blend those all together and drink it all up. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado is one of the top sources of healthy fats. It's not just delicious, but it has a lot of health benefits and nutrition. It doesn't have that many calories, so you can enjoy adding it to your food without thinking about gaining unhealthy weight. Number 4. Red meat. Red meat is a staple for gaining weight and muscle mass. It contains creatine and leucine, 2 of the most powerful nutrients for supplying energy to the muscle, and helps repair and grow muscle mass. It is full of both fats and proteins that are essential to your body. However, eating too much red meat can greatly damage your system. So, everything is good, but in moderation. Number 5. Beef jerky. Beef jerky contains a lot of protein. You can easily buy it in supermarkets, but be cautious about buying low-quality beef jerkies. Most of the back part is removed, and you will only be getting the calories from the protein of the meat. So make sure to buy all-natural beef jerky with less salt and 0 preservatives. Number 6. Tofu. If you are a vegan, tofu can be your source of protein, leucine, and calcium, which are needed for your muscle to function properly. According to DuPont, a nutrition and health company, you can find the best plant proteins in soy and tofu. Another reason to add it to your diet. Number 7. Oily fish. Salmon and tuna are examples of oily fish that contain high-quality protein and healthy fats needed in your body. It helps you build muscle mass and improve your overall health. It is best to eat with rice or add it to your vegetables. Number 8. Tilapia. Tilapia doesn't have as many healthy fats as other oily fish do, but it has a great amount of protein. It also contains vitamins such as selenium and B12, which are essential to the health of your blood and nerves. This means that you will be able to do your exercises much easier, and it will be more effective. Number 9. Scallops. A little number of scallops contain a large amount of protein. It will be helpful if you want to increase your muscle mass faster, as scallops are a great source of protein. Number 10. Whole eggs. Eggs consist of high-quality proteins, healthy fats, and antioxidants, which can be very effective if you want to gain weight. All these benefits come from the yolk, so it's ideal to have at least 1 egg every single day. Number 11. Brown rice. Switching from white rice to brown rice is so hard, especially if you love to eat rice. Brown rice might not be as delicious as white rice, but you can get a lot of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. A serving of brown rice is low in fat and can supply your body with a good amount of carbohydrates and calories needed. However, brown rice contains little amounts of arsenic and phytic acid, so don't eat too much. 1 to 2 portions a week is more than enough. Number 12. Any type of beans. Beans are very accessible, and they contain a high amount of protein and low in fat. A cup of cooked pinto blackened kidney beans has 14 grams of protein that are essential for muscle toning and a healthy appetite. It is also high in fiber, vitamin B, magnesium, and iron. Very nutritious. Number 13. Chickpeas. Chickpeas may contain a lower quality of protein than animal sources, but they can be considered a good source of carbs that can help you easily and quickly gain a healthy amount of weight. Still, you can use it as a garnish to your menu to spice it up a little bit. Number 14. Buckwheat. Buckwheat can be a substitute for your usual traditional flour. It contains high content of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, magnesium, and phosphorus that is essential for your bones and tissues. All these properties will boost your proteins that will help you gain muscles. Number 15. Lentils. There are 3 different types of lentils: brown, green, and red. All these can maintain your blood sugar and supply your body with the long-lasting energy that you need when working out. You are free to choose any type that you like and add them to your diet menu. Number 16. Nuts. Nuts and any nut butter are much encouraged to be included in your muscle-building meal plan. They are filled with good calories, protein, and healthy fats. You can consume nuts as a snack, or you can add them to your salads and other dishes. As for nut butter lovers, you can spread them on your sandwiches or any other snack you like. Number 17. Dried fruits. Dried fruits such as pineapples, cherries, or apples can help you gain muscle mass. It doesn't wear off the nutrients of the fruit when dried because the fiber nutrients help retain all the vitamins. So if you get hungry in between meals, you can have it as a snack instead of buying unhealthy ones that are filled with sugar and preservatives. You can also mix them to your protein shake or natural yogurt as a natural sweetener. Number 18. Soybeans. Soybeans are rich in vitamin K, iron, and phosphorus. Iron found on soybeans provides oxygen through your blood and muscles, which is essential for exercise. Soybeans are also a great recovery food, as they contain a lot of antioxidants that can help your body recover. It will lessen the soreness of your muscles. Number 19. Dark chocolate. If you love chocolate, this is for you. Eating dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 70% is a great source of antioxidants that can boost your health and performance. So do not hesitate to have a bar of dark chocolate as a snack, or you can add unsweetened and natural cocoa powder to your protein shake or yogurt. Do you know any other food that can help you gain weight and muscle mass? Type it in the comments section below. Remember to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to more helpful videos.